Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to open another gift in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box. This is day number 9. Look at that. There we go. And it's another soft package. It's a couple harder things in there, but then there's, I don't know, something soft in there. You ready? Let's go ahead and dive in and open up gift number 9. Here we go. Trying to save the stickers, but sometimes it's hard. All right, we ready? We ready? This is day number 9. Sneak peek. Ooh, there's a couple wow. There's a couple things in here. What could this be? Oh, wow. What is this? Anything else in there? Nope, that's it. Okay, this is day number 9, right? Yeah, day number 9. What is this? What is this? These are lights. Oh, it's something that's going to light up. Oh my gosh. Okay, silicone pack. Keep that away from your pets. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is something, there's no instructions or anything with this. So we're going to have to open this up to see what it is, but there's 2 of them. And they have different patterns on them. Obviously, it's going to be something that's going to light up. Maybe it's like a lantern that you hang. Let's just open it up. There's 2 lights. Light strand that needs batteries in it. Let's open this up. There's no paperwork with this telling us what this is. So bear with me while I find the way in. Pardon the crinkle. All right, what is this? What is this? Okay, this must open somehow to... There we go. To open this up. Is this like a star? Oh, it is a star. Okay. Need to open it more. They should put some paperwork in here with a picture or something describing what this is. Yeah, it's a star. I don't want to break it as I try to open it up. But I would think, there we go, that it's going to open all the way so it would come down. I don't want to break it here. There we go. Bear with me. Maybe that's where this comes in. Once I get it going, then I tighten it to keep it open, maybe. Maybe. Okay, coming through. Ugh. Okay, I'm not doing this very well. All right, let's try this again. I just don't want to pop it up and break it, you know, if I'm not doing it right. So I'm thinking like this. I'm having a hard time with just one person. All right, come on, we can do this. Okay. It's a star, and I know it lights up. I'm just having a challenge here, opening it up. But you can kind of see how it would be at school. I almost got it. These end ones open up, and the challenge is, there you go. You need like a second person to kind of help tighten up that string down there while one person holds it open. That's really pretty. And then there's lights that would go through it. There we go. Open up the ends. There we go. There. Okay, and then there's lights that you could string through it and battery operated, and you could have him, poke out of one of the star holes. And I bet you at night the light would shimmer through this. And it would be really pretty. So in one of the future videos, I will put this together, get some batteries, and get that tied up. And then we can actually take a look at what this looks like. But that's cool. That's fun. And they include 2 of them. Okay. There's this one that has the stars. And there's this one that actually has cutouts of scissors, a spool of thread, and the stars. And I think Chuck's on there. Yeah, so that's cool too. So in a future video, I will put these together and show you what it looks like. But that is the gift for day 9. This is fun. This would be a really pretty decoration on a table or even the top of your tree. I love that. Okay, again, everything so far is a keeper for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun unboxing gift number 9. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV tomorrow, where we will open gift number 10. And until then, have a wonderful day and happy stitching. Bye-bye.